Hi friends, today we come to the day 16. Today's topic is healing your relationships. How are you feeling today? Forgiveness is the difficult exercise that we have done yesterday, and you must be feeling lighter as you forgive all the people who hurt you in your life. Are you not feeling lighter? So it's a beautiful day. When you forgive everybody and forgive yourself, you feel much lighter and you are having a lot of space inside to feel all the love, self love, and all the things, positive things. You can fill it up with your love. Now you are surrounded by yourself with the love. So today's topic is love is our topic today because healing our relationships, right? So you may be releasing a old one which doesn't work, old relationship or a broken relationship, or maybe you are looking for a new love or a new relationship, whatever it is, right? So how important it is a person to know yourself before you are actually healing into the relationships. Heal your relationship. The first relationship you need to improve is the one that you have within yourself. That's the first and foremost relationship that you have to improve. The relationship with you to yourself. If you can improve this relationship, all other relationships will get healed automatically. Okay. A happy person is an attractive person, isn't it? When you are happy, when you are loving yourself, when you are happy, so you radiate with the love. When you are radiating with the love and happy face, then you will get attracted with the similar qualities. So when you love yourself, so you will radiate with the love. When you are radiating with the love, you will be attracting the persons who can love you more. This means no criticism of yourself, no complaining, no blaming, no whining, and no choosing to feel lonely. So you are very happy. When you are happy, why to complain? Why to blame? Why to be feel alone, right? So you are not doing any one of this. Okay, I'm repeating. No complaining, no blaming, no whining, no feeling lonely. Okay, friends. So for some of us, really experience a love that we feel love through like hugs are touched. So some of us feel like hugs or touches to in order to express the love. And some of us want that somebody saying I love you, I really love you, and taking care of us. And some of us wants gifts and flowers in order to share the love. Why it is different? Everyone will be comfortable the receiving the way we wanted to give to the others. Suppose if I want to give the gifts, then I want to get the gifts to express the love. So we want that demonstration in return. That is why we expect we will do the same way. Okay. Everyday loving affirmation. Do everyday loving affirmations and every moment to move on. Okay, to grow your love, first you love, demonstrate love within yourself and do the loving affirmations and move on in the life. Growing the love is you have yourself. Treat yourself with a romance and a love. Pamper yourself. Show yourself how special you are. What are you have the special qualities within you. Life also works as a mirror. Life also works the feelings that you have inside. Whenever you are expressing or developing the feelings of self-love, so you will get attracted because you are like a magnet and you are like a mirror of your thoughts, right? So you will get attracted with the similar kind of persons. The right person will come into your life. You will attract the right person like a magnet. Loving mental atmosphere within and around you. So make a loving atmosphere, not a lonely atmosphere. By being a lonely, you cannot attract the loving people. Okay, you radiate and you create an atmosphere which is a loving with around you. No negative thoughts. If negative thoughts are coming, you are just pushing them away. Okay, you are only thinking about sharing the love, approval, acceptance of everyone you met, everyone around you. You are actually accepting them as they are, and you are approving and you are loving them. So you are staying calm, self-centered, secure within your relationships at your home as well as at your work. So whenever you are loving everybody and you are accepting everybody, so you see the people differently. It is not that they changed or anything. You started seeing them in a different way. When you started seeing them in a different way, your relationship will get improved with them because you are accepting as they are. You are not judging, you are not expecting anything, you are accepting as they are. Isn't it so refreshing, exciting? They also feel refreshing and you also feel refreshing when you are doing this. Remember that when you think joyous thoughts, you will always be a happy person. When you are a happy person, the happy relationships will attract you. So your relationships will improve and flourish. Okay, what is the affirmation today? Deep into my center of my being, deep into my center of my being, there is a well of love, not a pit of love, there is a well of love. So I'm in love, I'm loved, I'm loved. So I myself is a love. So I'm just radiating only love, and others will love me, and I love everyone. So mirror work is just as we did it in the day 2. That is going to the mirror, staying in front of it, saying to yourself that I love you. I really, really love you. I really love you so much. I am releasing the need of relationship that doesn't work for me. If there is any relationships in my life that is not nourishing me, that is not working for me, that is not supporting for me, which is giving me a lot of tension, why to maintain that relationships with all the tension? I'm willing to release that kind of relationships. So the relationships which work, support me, which are nourishing me, then those friendships or relationships only I'm going to keep it. So you need not struggle to keep up the relationships. Okay, friends. So love yourself and be willing to release the relationships that is not working for me. Think of all the specific relationships you have. It may be the friendship, or it may be any other intimate relationships, or any other thing. Just think of, and whatever the thing that is not working for you, just willing to release them, so that you will have a lot of space and be a positive magnet, like a love magnet. You will be able to attract a loving friends, loving relationships, loving members, loving co-workers. Everybody will love you. So in that way your life will be very happy with all the loving people around you. Okay, what is the power within you, and what is the journaling exercise that you have to do today? So how do you experience? Just imagine that how do you actually grow up as a child? Do you observe your parents are expressing the love? With a lot of hugs or anything? Are you grow up with the lots of hugs? Or are you grow up in the very fighting parents and crying parents, or a loneliness? Have you did? Because all these patterns may affect your relationships now. If you are grew up in that way, then you release those past. You release the past, and you affirm all the positive affirmations so that you can change the way you think. If you change the patterns of thinking, then you can attract the loving people. I am worthy of love. I am lovable. I am worthy of love. I am more open to love. I am safer. I am. Today I remember my life loves me, and I love my life, and my life loves me. Write down some 10 things you love to do, and do 5 things today. Write down some 10 things, do 5 every day. Write down some 10 things and do some 5 things. Today you pamper yourself. Buy flowers for yourself. Why to expect from somebody? Buy flowers. Buy a healthy meal and then enjoy your healthy meal. And show yourself that how much special you are. Do not expect the love from others, but you love yourself. Radiate the love so that you'll automatically attract the loving people in your life. What is the heart thought for the today? Today's day 16. The heart thought is, I live in the circle of love. So just envelop your family with the circle of love. Okay, whether your family members are living or not, or broaden the circle to include your friends, your loved ones, and your co-workers, everyone in your past, whether they are living or not, just put them in the circle of love. Affirm that you have a wonderful harmonious relationships with every one of them. Okay, so you affirm that you have affirmed yourself, and let your heart open, and you have a space within you, and you have an unconditional love. You are loving everybody. You are not expecting anything, no conditions. You are accepting them as they are, and you are loving them as they are. So when you are loving unconditional love, you are the magnet of love, and you will be attracting all the loving relationships into your life. Okay, friends, so let us do all the relationships in a very good way. Just heal your relationships and you will be loved. Thank you, friends. See you tomorrow.